Ah yes, we're nearing the time of the year when feasting, family, and fun become a priority. If you're anything like me and have a giant sweet tooth, or you love your carbs, then gaining fat will also become part of your traditional holiday season. Over the years of battling seasonal weight gain, I've come up with 3 simple rules that keep the muffin fluff under control while still getting to enjoy yourself. Rule number 1, 80-20 eating. It has always amazed me how much food plays into our lives and our emotional health. The tastes, the smells bring back memories, the sharing amongst family and friends, the amazing restaurants you want to try. These are all important for your health, and I think that completely depriving yourself of foods that you love takes away those things and can actually be stressful and detrimental, barring any major physical complication. This is why I eat 80% of the time healthy and 20% of the time whatever I want, because that 20% of the time allows you to enjoy your life. So how do we eat 80-20? Step 1, know your healthy food choices. Most of us have a handful of recipes and food items that we eat on a continual basis. Always have those available to you so you don't have to think about it. Step 2, you know for the most part when you'll be having your feasts, parties, and when you go out. So mark those in your calendar and eat 80% healthy up to and around those times. This should still give you some space to have a couple cheat meals or snacks during the week as well. Rule number 2, intermittent fasting. Basically, this just means to skip breakfast. A good rule of thumb is to fast for 15 hours, that includes sleeping, and have an 8-hour eating window. So if you stop eating at 9 p.m., you can start eating at noon. I do not give up my coffee, and yes, I still add collagen, MCT oil, and a splash of heavy cream to my coffee. If you do this 80% of the time, so when you have those big breakfast feasts, you don't have to worry about guilty indulging. Now, side note, some people go through a transition period where not eating breakfast can make them feel hungry, irritable, lightheaded due to the blood sugar fluctuations, etc. This is normal and may take a couple weeks to resolve. Whenever there are drastic changes to your diet such as this, you'll have a period of adaptation. This does not mean that it won't work for you because you feel uncomfortable. It means that your body is figuring out how to adapt. The benefits of intermittent fasting will be on the other side. To help with this, add electrolyte drops like Everlow to your water, or use some other type of electrolyte powder. Rule number 3, protein first. Protein is a crucial macronutrient that serves multiple functions in the body, some of which include muscle building and maintenance. Protein are the building blocks of muscle tissue. They help in the growth of new muscles and the repair of damaged muscle tissue post-exercise or injury. Enzyme production. Many proteins function as enzymes, speeding up chemical reactions within your cells. Hormone production. Proteins are involved in the creation of some hormones. For example, insulin is a protein hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Immune system function. Proteins form antibodies that help your immune system identify and neutralize harmful substances like bacteria and viruses. Transport and storage. Proteins like hemoglobin transport oxygen throughout your body, while others like ferritin store essential substances such as iron. Structural support. Proteins provide structure and support for cells and tissues. For instance, collagen, a protein that provides structure to your skin, your hair, your nails, and your connective tissue. Signal transmission. Proteins participate in signaling pathways, transmitting signals both within the cell and between cells to ensure proper communication and response to stimuli. Nutrient metabolism. Proteins are involved in the digestion and metabolism of food, helping to break down nutrients into usable forms. Energy supply. Although not a primary energy source, proteins can be broken down to produce energy, especially in the absence of sufficient carbohydrates and fats. Blood clotting. Proteins like fibrinogen and thrombin play a crucial role in the blood clotting process, helping to prevent excessive bleeding. And fluid balance. Proteins help to maintain the body's fluid balance, ensuring that fluid levels within and outside the cells are balanced. Maintaining pH balance. Proteins act as buffers, helping to maintain the body's pH balance, which is crucial for normal cellular function. I personally prefer a clean source of animal protein for these reasons. The amino acid profile. Animal proteins are often considered more nutritionally complete because they provide all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. Many plant proteins, on the other hand, are deficient in 1 or more essential amino acids. The bioavailability. The bioavailability of protein refers to the extent and rate at which the amino acids are actually absorbed and used in the body. Animal proteins generally have higher bioavailability compared to plant proteins. Plant protein digestibility. Animal proteins are usually digested more efficiently than plant proteins. This can be beneficial for individuals requiring higher protein intake for muscle building and recovery. The nutrient density. Alongside protein, animal sources often provide other important nutrients like B vitamins, especially B12, iron, zinc, calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, and bioavailable forms. While plant proteins can also provide these nutrients, the bioavailability may be lower or additional sources may be needed to meet dietary requirements. It is very satiating as well, so you'll feel fuller faster with animal protein. Ideally, you want to get 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150, you want to eat around 150 grams of protein. By eating your protein first, every meal you will automatically cut back on eating too many carbs or fats. If that seems overwhelming, or if you are a vegan, then you can supplement with a good high-quality essential amino acid powder such as Fortigen. I personally take this one because it's scientifically formulated with the proper ratio of essential amino acids to be the most bioavailable for your body. So 10 grams of this powder, which is around 1 scoop, equals about 50 grams of protein. This is an easy way to hit your daily goal of grams of protein. Again, with rule number 3, do this 80% of the time. 20% of the time, eat whatever you want. Enjoy yourself. By following these 3 rules, you'll kick those holiday pounds to the curb. So I hope these tips have helped you as much as they've helped me throughout the years. So make it a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.